Jamb 2026 candidates, why are you guys feeling this free question? Why are you guys feeling this easy question? Question under flame. And we all know that this question is going to be repeated in your Jamb UTME 2026. You have to take this seriously. You have to take this seriously. The question reads, what flame is used for welding? Many are just commenting the wrong answer, entering one chance in the comment section. But I will explain. I'm a good guy. I will explain to you. Let me go straight into the point. During welding, organic gases are used during welding. Some gases like the ethane gas is used for welding. How is the ethane gas used for welding? The ethane gas is used when the ethane gas is exposed to atmospheric oxygen. Immediately you ignite it. It burns in the presence of oxygen with a very high temperature required for the melting of metals such as iron. Okay, to melt iron, about 170 degrees Celsius and above required for iron melting. And when you ignite it in the presence of atmospheric oxygen, it combines with oxygen to give us a flame of a very high temperature called oxyethane flame. That's oxygen plus ethane, oxyethane flame. Mind you, there is also an old name for this oxyethane flame. That's why I always say, get your latest chemistry textbook, or if you can't be finding textbook, just take all my lectures, okay? Be up to date. There are IUPAC names for a reason. That's the old name. There's one old name called acetylene. That's the old name for ethane. Okay, acetylene is the old name for ethane. So the IUPAC name for ethane now is ethane. In some older chemistry textbook, you are going to see it as oxyacetylene. You are going to see it as oxyethylene flame or oxyacetylene flame. But the latest chemistry textbook, that's why Jamb always gives you the list of book that you should get. The standard now is oxyethane flame. Ethane gas burnt in the presence of atmospheric oxygen to give us oxyethane flame, which is a very high temperature flame required for the melting of iron, which facilitates welding. A is obviously not the answer. A oxyethane flame is obviously not the answer. B is obviously not the answer. Acetylethane flame is not the answer. D is obviously not the answer. Oxyethane flame. Or for your correct option, option C, oxyethane flame. So if you entered one chance in this question, I hope you understood better now. I hope you can blast this question because it appears every year in Jamb UTME. Jamb 2026 candidates. Peace out.